Have you ever heard the saying that good things come to those who wait? While that might sound cliché, there's a deeper truth behind it, especially when it comes to the concept of compound interest. When we say, the best returns in life come from compound interest, we're not just talking about finance. This principle applies to relationships, habits, and business as well. Understanding this idea can transform how you approach your personal and professional life. At its core, compound interest refers to the process where the value of an investment grows exponentially over time. Instead of just earning interest on your initial investment, you also earn interest on the interest that accumulates. This principle doesn't just apply to money, it can be applied to many aspects of life. For instance, think about relationships. The more time and effort you invest in nurturing your connections with family, friends, and colleagues, the stronger those relationships become. Small acts of kindness, regular communication, and shared experiences accumulate over time, leading to deep bonds and mutual support. Just like financial investments, the returns on these relationships can multiply significantly as they grow. Now, consider habits. When you commit to a positive habit, like exercising regularly or reading daily, the benefits may not be immediately visible. However, over time, those small daily actions compound into significant improvements in your physical health or knowledge base. For example, reading just a few pages a day might not seem like much at first, but over a year, that adds up to several books. The knowledge gained from those books can lead to new opportunities and insights that you wouldn't have encountered otherwise. Similarly, consistent exercise can lead to improved fitness levels and overall well-being that compound over time. In the realm of business, the principle of compound interest is equally powerful. When entrepreneurs invest time in building their skills or developing their networks, they often see exponential returns on that investment. For instance, dedicating time to learn about marketing strategies or financial management can lead to better decision-making and increased profitability down the line. Additionally, building a loyal customer base through exceptional service and engagement can create lasting relationships that yield repeat business and referrals, again demonstrating how small efforts can lead to significant results over time. So, how can you apply this principle in your own life? Start by identifying areas where you want to see growth, whether in your relationships, personal habits, or career. Commit to making small but consistent investments in these areas. This could mean setting aside time each week to connect with loved ones, establishing a daily routine for self-improvement, or dedicating time each day to work on your business goals. It's important to remember that the benefits of compound interest are often not immediately visible. Patience is key. Just as financial investments take time to grow, so do relationships and habits. Trust in the process and stay committed even when progress feels slow. Over time, you'll likely find that your efforts yield returns far greater than what you initially invested. Next time you're tempted to overlook the importance of small actions or connections in your life, remember, the best returns in life come from compound interest. By focusing on building strong relationships, cultivating positive habits, and investing in your professional growth consistently over time, you'll set yourself up for meaningful success and fulfillment in all areas of your life. Embrace this principle and watch as the compounding effect transforms your experiences into something truly remarkable.